Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐷.com. Here I've got another little Hijet dumper. This is the older type Hijet, but it's in nice clean condition and with a HD purpose-built strong dump body on the back. So you can see in here the tray of it still nice and shiny. It's actually had a mat on it, that's the mat over there. I'll put that back in. Got a battery cover, a bit of paint underneath there on the chassis, but it's not rusty. It's got the gravity gate on the back, little set of alloy wheels, all looks pretty decent. Inside, good condition. It's automatic transmission as well, that's good. We'll come round in here and have a look at the driver's side. The seat is clean, got some mats as well, carpet mats. If I start the engine, done 22,000 miles, about 20,000 Ks should I say, so that's about 14,000 miles. Push button 4-wheel drive, press that button, all drive comes on. Air conditioning as well, turn that down, it's a bit hot today. That was working nicely. And an enclosed cabin. And so this will be sold in the US as an off-road only vehicle, designed for properties, farms, golf courses, so anything like that where you need it off the public road. It's 4-wheel drive, so with some good tyres it will go off-road. And I'll just demonstrate this dump system. So you've got a dump button here, got a cover on it, and you press up, and then very simple, up it goes. There's the hydraulic pump, nice strong ram there, not leaking. Condition of the tray underneath is all nice and clean. You've got the gravity gate on there as well. That's all working well, no problems there. Press it down the other way, comes down. Locks up the back. All very good. So this one's going to be shipped out very soon. If you're interested in this one, something like this, or you'd think you can make some money for yourself distributing these trucks for us in the US, have a look on our website 𝐤𝐸𝐬𝐷.com and you'll see a lot of information on there about doing that. Thank you very much for watching.